Okay, whenever we want to say the time in Spanish, we say, Hudson, ¿qué hora es? And ¿qué hora es literally means what hour is it, right? What are we saying, clase? What time is it, right? ¿Qué hora es? So anything related to the 1 o'clock hour, anything related to the 1. It's 1:05, it's 1:15, it's 1:30, it's 1:45, it's 1:59, right? Anything related? We're going to start with es la. So let me repeat myself. Anytime we look at the time, let me do my other hand. We look at the time, and it's anything related to the 1 o'clock hour, we're first going to say es la. Everything else, because the 1 o'clock hour is singular, right? We say es la. Everything else is plural. We're going to say son las. Okay? And both of these mean it's. Okay? They both mean it's. Okay? But the 1 o'clock, es la. Everything else, son las. Okay? See? So you need to know all your numbers, right? You need to know all your numbers. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12. Okay? And it would be good to know them to 60. There's different ways to say the time in Spanish, right? I'm going to teach you the book way first. Okay? I'm going to teach you the book way first. So, if it is in English, Blaze, what time is it? ¿Qué hora es?
Es la. In English. Oh, it's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock. Okay? It's 1 o'clock. In Spanish, it's feminine. We say es la una. Es la una. We got it? Yes, everybody? So, how do we say, President, how do we say, it's 1 o'clock?
Es la una.
Es la una. Okay? And so on this side of the clock, we add, and we have to say E. Okay? We got it? Yes? So what is 10, Oliver, in Spanish?
Yes.
Yes. It's 1:10. Look at the time. It's 1, and in Spanish it's like saying it's 1 and 10. Okay? How would you say it's 1:10? Or it's 1 and 10 o'clock.
Es la una y diez.
Es la 1:10. Perfecto. Okay? So Cash, what's 15?
15.
15. It's 1:15.
Es la 1:15.
Es la 1:15. Arabella, what's 20?
20.
20. It's 1:20.
Es la 1:20.
That's right. So we're adding, and so in order to add minutes, we say E. We got that? That's the easy one. That's the easy one. Where we're adding on this side of the clock. We all can look at the digital time. We'll look at the digital time, right? But when we see a clock like that one over there, you wouldn't believe how all semester long students will say, Senor Temes, what time is it? And I said, there's time right there. And they're like, but I can't read a clock, right? You can't read a clock, right? So, Hudson, give me the time on that clock, please.
8:28 or 8:29.
Okay, 8:28, right? It's 8:28. So, is the 28 on this side or this side of the clock, Hudson?
It's on that side.
It's on this side, right? When we face the clock, it's on the right. So, we're gonna start off with son las. Everything else is son las, right? So let's just do, it's 8 o'clock. What is 8 in Spanish, Hudson?
Ocho.
Ocho, I like it, right? Ocho, I love it.
Ocho.
Ocho, okay? It's 8 o'clock.
Son las ocho.
Sí.
Ocho.
Son las ocho, okay? All right. Josh, it's 8:05.
Son las 8:05.
What is 5 in Spanish? Sí, son las 8:05. See? Okay, Layla, it's 8:15.
Son las 8:15.
See, another way in Spanish, anybody read this? It's very small. Cuarto, which is what? What does it sound like? It sounds like quarter, right? Okay, the quarter hour, right? And so sometimes in Spanish you'll hear them say, son las 8:15, right? Same thing as son las 8:15. Same exact thing. We got it? Yes? Okay? Sophia, it's 8:15 in Spanish. Sit up, please.
Son las 8:15.
And say it the other way that I just mentioned. You didn't hear me? Okay. Okay. It's this word right here. And
Son las 8:15.
cuarto, which is, what did I say? Did you hear cuarto in English? Quarter. The quarter hour, the half hour, right? The quarter hour son las 8:15. Son las 8:15. They both mean 8:15, right? Okay, so, Hudson, what is 20? 20. What is 28?
No, sir.
Yes, what is 8?
Oh, Viente y ocho.
It's 8:28. You said it just a while ago. It's
Son.
8:28.
Son las ocho y veinte y ocho.
Perfecto. Perfecto. Muy bien. Okay, so let's go to 8:20. Right, 8:20. It's 8:20, Preston.
Ocho.
Wait a minute, what are the first two words?
Es la.
No.
Son las.
Why son las and not es la? You said es la first.
Because it's not related to the 1 hour.
Very good. Okay, so it's 8 o'clock.
Son las. Ocho.
It's 8:20.
Son las 8:20
Okay, we have to say this right here.
y 20.
Son las 8:20. Right? Now, code, we're gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28. Right? Draw a little arrow to the 8. More or less pointing at the 8? More or less. Actually it goes that way, right? And so then the long hand comes right over here. It's 8. Here's the short hand. Long hand is on the 28. Okay? It's 8:28. It's 8:20 5, 10, 15, 20, 8. What is 20 in Spanish, Cole? 20, but we have to say y 20, right? Or what is 28? What is 8 o'clock? First of all, what's 8? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? That's 8. Okay? It's 8 o'clock. How will we say it's 8 o'clock? It's 8:20. Now 8:28. You already know ocho, which is 8. You're gonna say it again after the 20. It's 8:28. Wait a minute. Muy bien. We got it? We got it?
Sí.
Now we need to know this. We need to know if it's in the morning or in the afternoon. That's on this side of the clock. In the morning or in the afternoon. Okay? We got it? This is the harder side over here. Okay? Let's do the easier side first. Okay? If I put a time, okay, let's put another time. It's 8 o'clock. Here's the little hand to the 8, and the big hand is over here. It's 8 o'clock sharp. Okay, we could say on the dot, en punto, okay? It's 8 o'clock a.m. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. A.m. is en la mañana. We could say de la mañana, okay? So, Landon, it's 8 a.m.
Son las 8 en mañana.
En la,
En la mañana.
right. En la mañana. Mañana ends in an A, and we're gonna say la, okay? It's 8 o'clock a.m. in la mañana. Okay? Yes? Muy bien. Okay? Let's make it, oh, I love it when it's 3 o'clock. Because I know we got 30 more minutes before it's time to go home. Right? Yes? Landon, it's 3 o'clock p.m.
Son las 15.
Wait a minute. You're gonna say the 5, 10. Say the outside number. 5, 10, 15. Let me see, how do you say it? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna say this number first. Right? It's 3. You said son las 15.
So
You-
tres.
And that is, it's 15.
So
you need-
tres, right?
Right, go ahead.
So son las 3 en la tarde.
Muy bien. En la tarde. Okay? Alright. So now, Landon, we have this time. What is it in English?
Son las 15.
It's 15?
Oh.
Give it to me in English first.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's not 3 o'clock. Both hands are on the 3. Let's look at this. It's just that this keeps breaking. Okay. What time is it? See how we struggle?
3:15.
It's 3:15. Right? It's 3:15. Okay, hold up. What time is that?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock? What time is that?
3 or 5. 3:10.
Now, it's 3 o'clock PM.
So son las 13 en la tarde.
Son las 3 en la tarde, or de la tarde is also acceptable. Either way, okay? Cole, what time is it?
3:15.
No, it's still 3:15. En español.
Oh. Son las 13.
1, 2, 3. What's 3? 15. What's 15?
14.
That's 14. 15.
15.
It's 3:15 PM. Cole?
Do you have to say the PM?
Yes. And how do we say PM in Spanish? In the afternoon. Another way to say it, it's 3:15 in the afternoon.
Oh, in Montana.
Hey, calm down. En la tarde. You see it? En la tarde. Okay? That's the afternoon. You got it? Yes? Okay, so now it's 3:15 in the afternoon. 15 minutes before the bell rings.
Son las
3, 15,
mm, 15
in the afternoon.
en la tarde.
Muy bien. Okay, we got it? Yes? So, make sure you say E. Make sure you say E. Okay? Yes? One of the ways we say the half hour, we're gonna say the half hour. Right? It's 6:30. Well, let's stay with the 3. Now it's 3:30. That's the little hand. Here's the long hand. Okay? Whenever you see the little hand on the number, you say that number first. Right? You say that number first. And then you say the minutes on the long hand. Got it? Yes? Okay. Caleb, it's 3:30 in the afternoon.
Son las
Let's focus.
Son las 3
We can either say the half hour, or we can say 30.
Son las 3 y
So what sound does that letter make?
which one?
What sound does it make? Look at the alphabet. A, B, C, Ch, D.
So media.
Muy bien. Media. Okay, code. See this word? Media. Let's hear it, class. Media.
Media.
Let's hear it.
Media.
Let's hear it. Media. Media. Okay? And Sophia, media means what?
6.
Doesn't mean 6. Half. Half. Okay? Half. 6:30. Okay? 3:30. Right? The half hour. The half hour we say y media. So it's 3:30 p.m. Sophia, it's 3:30 p.m.
Son las 3
Perfecto. Now, PM are in the afternoon,
En la tarde.
en la tarde. Okay? En la tarde. Tomorrow, we'll start this side. Right now, we're just doing this side. Okay? So we have learned that es la is any time related to the 1 o'clock hour. We say son las for all other times. Okay? All other times. Everything related to the 1, es la. Everything else, son las. We got it? We know that AM or in the morning, we say en la mañana. And we know that PM or in the afternoon is en la tarde. ¿Sí? ¿Sí? Cash. ¿Cómo eres?
Are you?
Ahí.
You are.
Tú, ¿cómo eres? ¿Eres alto? ¿Eres bajo? ¿Eres?
Tall? Are you short? How are you?
Now answer the question. ¿Cómo eres?
I'm good.
No,
No.
that's ¿cómo estás?
Oh.
¿Cómo eres?
Yo
Ezequiel.
soy guapo.
Ah, sí. Soy guapo, soy muy guapo. Tengo ojos verdes y pelo castaño. Sí, excelente. Leila, ¿cómo eres?
Eres.
Ah, are you?
Soy. Alta.
See? She said soy alta, and in English that means
I'm tall.
She's tall.
I am tall.
I'm
Soy, right? Antonio, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien.
¿Estás bien? Muy bien. Excelente. Okay. Arabella, please put the book away. See? Arabella, ¿cuántos dólares tienes? ¿Quieres comprar? You want to buy oatmeal cream pie?
I don't have any.
¿Cuántos dólares tienes?
I don't know what's yours.
En español, por favor. I don't have.
No tiene.
Nah. What is I have?
No tengo.
Correcto. Muy bien. No tengo what?
No tengo dolor.
Sí, muy bien. Muy bien. Present. ¿Cuántos dólares tienes? ¿Cuántos dólares tienes? What is it asking?
How much money do you have?
Yes, but we're saying dollars, right?
Yeah, how many dollars do you
How many dollars do you have? ¿Cuántos dólares tienes?
have? Zero.
Tengo cero. There's your number, Arabella. Did you hear what he said? Okay, guys, please focus on everyone's answers. ¿Cuántos dólares tienes?
Tengo zero.
Cero what?
Dollar.
Muy bien. Valencia, ¿cuántos dólares necesitas? ¿Necesitas $4? Muy bien. So you would say necesito, right? Necesito. Here you would say tengo. Here you would say necesito. Okay? ¿Sí, muy bien? Raúl, ¿cómo es tu amigo? Remember that this como is like this como. ¿Cómo es? No sabes. Angela, ¿cómo es tu amigo? O ¿cómo es tu amiga? If we say to, you're supposed to say, if I'm asking about your friend, you're gonna say my friend. Remember what you put on your quiz? You don't remember? Angela, ¿cómo es tu amiga? Sofía, ¿cómo es tu amiga?
Mi amiga es
Mi
dice.
amiga es 15?
Dice.
Triste? Oh. Clase, what's triste?
Sad.
Muy bien, muy bien. Mi amiga. Mi amiga. But that's how she feels. That's not what I'm asking right here.
Mi amiga es bajo.
Oh. Bajo, baja.
Bajo.
Sí, sí, muy bien. ¿De dónde es, Antonio? ¿De dónde es tu amigo? What are these two words? Hey! From where, right? ¿De dónde es tu amigo?
Mi amigo es de San Antonio.
Perfecto. Adiós, clase.
Adiós.